Ahoy mateys, Captain Jack Scrapper here. Today is Saturday, October 3rd, 2020. Just got done doing a cool live stream here a little while ago. But I thought, well, you know, I'm still in Sparta and I got a little time between now and 7 p.m. so I thought I'd do at least a short little video. If it starts raining, it'll be a really short one. But I've always wanted to stop here and try to figure this out, and today's the day. We are facing west. This is a 13-mile road, and it becomes Division right as you pass this sign. Okay? And I've seen this sign hundreds of times and never figured out anything about it. Never seen anybody walking on it. There's Serendipity, Dippy for short. There's Tim's, well, expert truck and trailer. And yes, I have done business with him. Great guy. If you are in the city of Sparta and need any kind of trailer, buy a trailer, fix a trailer, get parts for a trailer, fix the tires, whatever. He did me very good for the Beth the box trailer. Alright, my phone is dinging at me, but we're going to start taking a little walk here. Melissa looking for Don. I don't think she realizes that today is Don's Sabbath day. There's a curious little box here. I wonder what that is. It's an ashtray. Trash container. Well, I'll be. Well, it looks like somebody kind of mows this a little bit. Uses a brush hog. No idea how far it goes. It might be kind of pretty with the sun out and once the leaves turn a little bit more. It's definitely a soft soil underneath here. We're quite close to the creek and to the Rogue River, actually. Kind of in the Rogue River floodplain. Maybe we'll see some wildlife. No, Tina's not back here. She's probably over on the east side of the state. Did you catch that, Tina? I know, you're mad at me. Hey, wildlife. Never know. Watch, it'll probably end right here and I have to turn around and go back. Woohoo. 3-minute walk. Nah, it curls around. Yeah, it's pretty muddy. Well, looks like somebody lost a balloon. Or what is that? That's clothing. What the heck? Somebody walked back here and just dumped their clothes, or... Damn it. Oh well. That's sad. I wonder where this comes out at. Or am I just going to have to hike back to Dippy? So I'm not going to walk the whole trail, I don't think. At least not for today. I hear birds. I hear blue jays. I heard a cardinal. There's a very, very light mist of rain starting to come down. So there's another reason this might be a little short. Really doesn't look like very many people hike this. But at least it's here and is more or less maintained, I guess. What's that? More clothing. What? Starting to think the place is haunted. Clothing that was shed by the Walking Dead. I realize it's getting close to Halloween, but okay. Looks like it opens up towards a little swamp up here. Or what? Don't know. Yeah, it's definitely a marshy area, although I do see a fence. So marshy, they ought to clean it out and grow rice. And it's starting to rain harder. Alright. We'll keep this short. Basically, we're in somebody's backyard. I see some birch trees. Don't know why that's fenced in, and I'm not going to find out why today. Okay, mateys. Sparta Nature Trail Part 1. Maybe in a few days we'll do Part 2 when I'm not so pressed for time. Maybe when it's not raining and not quite so chilly. It's about 50 degrees right now, which is chilly for me. It might be 60 degrees the next couple days. Alright, fair winds and smiles. See you tonight on the Dr. Phil show. And may God bless.